What is going on, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So we're going to break down Nvidia stock in this one, do an update on how the stock's doing today, which it's currently about 3:15 p.m. We're almost halfway through power hour, and I want to break down the insider selling activity right now and overall what the indexes are doing. So guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 20 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. The clock's ticking, guys. Use that link down below or go to stasurfs.com/Moomoo, and for a limited time, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So again, use that link down below or go to stasurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So like I said, it's almost halfway through power hour right now, and all the indexes, by the way, are all over the place. The Russell's down 0.5%, Nasdaq's down 0.1%, but the Dow's up 0.7%, and we have the S&P up around 0.3%, and Nvidia's up around 1% on the day. And earlier in the day, we were up even more. In fact, we almost hit over $120 per share. It looks like we were up over 3% at one point earlier in the day. And we can see we opened up right around, let's see here, 118, 119. And then selling came in pretty aggressively, for that matter, in the beginning of the day. For the first 30 minutes, we sold off on Nvidia stock, and since that point, we've rebounded, and now we're kind of consolidating around $117 per share. And overall, on the 5-day, 5-minute, you guys can see the uptrend is clearly continuing. We actually took out the highs from yesterday by a long shot with today's pop to 119.50. So this is very good news for the bulls. The fact that the uptrend's continuing, we took out the highs from yesterday and from the last couple of days. And overall, look, we're holding a higher low. We're looking pretty good, in my opinion, on the 5-day. On the 10-day chart as well, we can see now we're approaching the highs from the beginning of August, being about 120, 121, which, guys, again, newsflash, we just almost hit 120 earlier in the day. So that's a very big resistance here coming up. And here on the 20-day chart, you guys can see how we have a golden cross right now for the first time in weeks, and we're above the moving averages, which is awesome, but we're not fully breaking out yet until we start pushing 120 plus, at least in my opinion, the way I'm interpreting these charts here, right, guys? If I draw out this channel tool, you guys can see literally right where we are right now. We're at the top of this channel, and we're right by the 180 moving average, which is a resistance on the 4-hour chart here. So this is a pivotal spot for Nvidia, right? This spot right here. It needs to break, like I've been saying in these updates, guys, and we're looking good. We're getting closer and closer to that breakout, the full breakout spot, which is 120, but we're not breaking out quite yet. So my alert's at 120, and if we take that out, guys, I think we're going to do something like this, and it's possible before earnings, considering they're in 2 weeks from today, it's possible that we do actually get the breakout heading into earnings, especially if the VIX continues to drop, markets continue to go up in general. That would be a pretty easy bet, in my opinion. We break out of here heading into earnings. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And of course, I'm long Nvidia. I've owned the stock for a couple of weeks now. Not even a couple of weeks, probably like a week or two, if that. But yeah, I'm long Nvidia now, and this is one that I've traded many times over the past couple of years. Made some good money on it, and now I'm in it for a longer term play. I think the dip we just got was a very good opportunity, like I've been saying in these videos, guys. So let me show you right now the insider moves that are going on with this stock. And if you guys have been paying attention, it's a lot of the same. It's a lot of what we've been seeing with Nvidia stock. So the CEO and president, Jensen Huang, right? He ended up selling a bunch in June, in July, and now in August as well. And these are all pre-planned sales, right? I think it's under the rule 10B5-1, something like that. We've broken it down before here on the channel. But this guy, the CEO, has been selling in 120,000 lots pretty much every day, it seems like, for months, right? You guys see, let me bring my face over here, right? Do you guys see all these 120,000 share counts right here? These are all the CEO and president of Nvidia, and you see the dates right above my head here, right? You can see every single day that goes by, he's pretty much selling, right? 120,000 shares, 120,000 shares, 120,000 shares. And these are multi-million-dollar moves, right, guys? And he's selling in the 119s, 130s, 117, 106 he sold. Looks like here, actually, was that? Yeah, looks like here that's a proposed sale. We can see above there he sold at, 106, 113, 113, 115. And these are all 120,000 share lots, like I said. And each sale is literally millions of dollars. So his share count, you guys can see, it was in the 80 millions a couple weeks ago, about 2 months ago. Now he owns around, sorry about that, guys, about 76 million shares. So he still owns a lot. I mean, he went from 80 million shares to 76 million. Not the end of the world. He still owns a lot of the company, but religiously, he's been selling, man, every single day. So that's really the main and only insider that I'm seeing here that is making some moves. We do have a director here, Mark Stevens, sold out 400,000 shares a couple weeks ago and 385,000 shares as well. But you guys have to realize these are all predetermined sales. It's part of their, plan, if you will. Again, the 10B5-1. Go look that up, guys. It's essentially a rule where, insiders that obviously have insider information, they're able to sell at predetermined prices, at predetermined dates, and they can do that. They can do that without any, repercussions, right? So what do you guys think about that and Nvidia overall? I think we're at a very critical spot on the charts right here where if we break out, man, this could really start looking very good on the charts, especially heading into earnings and the overall market. S&P, NASDAQ, we're at a very critical spot right now. We can see here on the 4-hour chart on SPY, we're at a big resistance right now. We're testing another lower high here. You guys can see it, right? So do we break out of here? What direction do we pick? And on Triple Q, you're noticing the same thing. So with the indexes in a critical spot, it's gonna be critical to see what they do, to see what Nvidia does next, right? That's critical. I mean, you guys can see it on Triple Q as well. If this wants to work, come on. There we go. So we can see, boom, lower high, lower high, lower high. I mean, you guys get what I'm saying, right? So we're at a critical spot. My alert is set at $120 per share on Nvidia stock. We'll see what ends up happening with that one. And guys, before we end off the video, don't forget to sign up to my mailing list down below if you want me to send you my top 3 stocks every single Monday morning right to your email, guys. It's free. Feel free to check out the link down below. And don't forget to get up to 20 stocks from Moomoo while the deal lasts. That's linked down below. All you guys have to do is open up an account and fund it with at least $100, and your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% for a limited time. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. It's free money, guys. You can't beat it. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.